Welcome viewers. I am Professor Karunesh Saxena, Faculty of Management Studies, Mohanlal Sokhadia University, Udaipur. Here I am offering you a MOOC program on business research methods. It's a program of undergraduate commerce where this program is titled BCH DSE Group BF Business Research Methods and Project. Friends, after completing this program, you will be able to understand what are the fundamentals of business research and how they can be applied in a real life project. This program is of 4 credits, therefore I have divided it into 40 modules, and evaluation methodology is such that 30% is on assignments, 30% is on practicals, and remaining 40% is on final exams. Friends, the prerequisite for doing this course is that you should have understood and completed the course on business statistics in the earlier semesters. Moreover, it is expected that you have some working knowledge of MS Excel. Now, this program will be offered during 12 weeks and 40 modules will be prepared for this program. As per the MOOC methodology, 4 quadrants approach is also followed in this program. In the first quadrant, the 40 video modules will be offered to you. In the second quadrant, you are going to get more additional reading material, reference material in the form of open educational resources material, OER, and also transcript of the modules, video modules will also be provided to you. In the third quadrant, there will be the readings and there can be some live chats also, discussion forums for clarification of your doubts. The fourth and final quadrant will be focused on evaluation, where you will be given some quiz, assignments, question answers in terms of multiple choice questions, fill up the blanks, some short essay type, long essay type, application oriented questions will be asked. So friends, what this subject is going to cover is what is the meaning and types of research, what is the business research process, how the research design can be developed in a research project, the sampling fundamentals, what are the sampling techniques, probabilistic and non-probabilistic sampling methods, questionnaire design, and how this data will be collected for the purpose of analyzing, some basic methods of analysis, hypothesis testing, that is where the report writing can also be understood by the students, so that a complete comprehensive package of the complete research report is prepared by you. In this subject, you are going to learn how the fundamentals of business research can be applied to a project work of your choice, and therefore you are expected to come out with a completed research project alongside the duration of this particular MOOC program.